This is the full factory flow. We begin with water treatment. Next, mixing and reaction. Then final combined. A seamless, efficient process.
आज हम एनर्जी ड्रिंक फैक्ट्री का पूरा प्रोसेस देखेंगे।
Team, this wall is your guide to a safe workplace. Watch for hazards like this and high-risk areas. Always prioritize safety, wear up, and stay protected.
Map activate. Show me the optimal path.
Before we start, quick helmet check. Gloves are good, goggles are set, ear protection confirmed, all systems ready. Welcome to the heart of our operation. I am the Factory Insight Captain. Here, every belt moves with purpose, and insight drives our success. Welcome to the PPE station. Let's review the essentials. First, the gloves. They protect against cuts and chemicals. And this helmet shields you from falling objects. Always stay protected. Initiating safety scan. Scan confirmed. All clear. These red emergency stop buttons are your lifeline. They're at every critical point on the line. In an emergency, you hit them. No hesitation. Safety is everyone's responsibility. This is our hand wash station. Use it before entering. Next is the sanitation gate for a complete spray down. Finally, step on the disinfectant mat to clean your boots. Initiating air shower sequence. Activating decontamination protocols. Airflow lines are stable. Chambers clear for entry. All right, let's check this hairnet. Looks snug, now for the mask. Perfect, all set. Safety not approved. Reviewing the primary hazard indicators. Heat levels are stable, within parameters. Pressure systems show no anomalies. Chemical containment is secure, all clear. Welcome to the factory. This is our compressor room. The noise level here is very high. Always use hearing protection, like these foam earplugs. They reduce the risk of permanent hearing damage. Welcome to our factory. Follow me into the raw materials receiving zone. This is where all raw materials enter. See the big raw materials receiving sign? From here, materials are sorted and sent for processing. Here at the truck bay, we're unloading pallets of ingredients. The forklift moves them efficiently to our storage area. This keeps our production running smoothly. These are the incoming water supply pipes. A laser highlights the main line. The transparent cutaway shows the water flow direction. This is essential for monitoring the supply. Welcome to the heart of our operation. These stainless steel filter housings are the first line of defense. Their precision engineering ensures every drop of water is purified to the highest standard. This is our sediment filtration cartridge, a vital component. Let's take a closer look at its clean, textured surface. This captures impurities, ensuring efficient, reliable filtration. Welcome to our filtration unit. This is the activated carbon filter. Inside, charcoal particles trap impurities. Watch them absorb contaminants. This ensures pure, clean output. It's a key step in modern purification. Welcome. Today, we're exploring the reverse osmosis membrane module. This is the core of the system, forcing water through the membrane. The cross-section shows the filtration process in action. And here is the result. Clean, pure water. Observe the UV chamber. Its tubes are activating. The intense glow ensures maximum sterilization. This is safe, controlled technology. All right, initiating the water conductivity test. The reading is stabilizing. We have 2.45 millisiemens, a perfect result for this process. This is our CIP manifold, the core of the clean-in-place system. These pipes, labeled A, B, and C, circulate cleaning solutions. This setup ensures efficient cleaning without disassembly.
Welcome! Today we'll see how factory lines get sanitized. First, a cleaning solution is injected, creating bubbles that scrub the pipes. These bubbles agitate to dislodge residue. This ensures a clean, safe process.
Observe the precision as this fine powder pours into the hopper. The scale captures every gram in real time, dust-free. A seamless integration of human and machine. This is our micro-dosing machine for flavors. Observe the tiny dosing screws spinning at high speed. This ensures precise, macro-level control. Initiating batch sheet display. Key metric 500 grams. Volume 2.5 liters. Process temperature 85 degrees. Timeline shows stable production. Initiate the dispensing sequence. Smooth motion. Excellent flow rate. Welcome back. Today we're looking at this drum pump for liquid ingredients. Watch the animated flow in the clear tubing. The pump ensures a steady transfer. This reduces waste and improves efficiency. Thanks for watching. I'm dipping the pH probe into our sample now. Next, a gentle swirl ensures an accurate reading. Then we remove it, ready for cleaning. Mixing start. These are temperature control jackets. They maintain the perfect temperature inside. Here's the cutaway. Cold liquid enters here, flows up, and hot liquid exits stable and efficient. This is our chemical dosing line. The flow meters track the input. The sequence starts here. The blue arrows show the flow. Now, we open the valve to release the dose. This precise control prevents any waste.
The vortex is forming. Observe the neon green energy. The rim highlights are pulsing. It's stabilizing. Containment is holding. Monitor for fluctuations.
Welcome to the factory. Today, we're tackling foam with anti-foaming control. The agent is introduced, breaking the bubble's surface tension. Watch the bubbles collapse in real time. Efficiency is through smart chemical control.
The mixing time is now critical. Observe the countdown. Accelerating to fast motion. Precision is essential. Countdown complete. Proceed with the next phase.
Sample from line 3, heading to the window. Sample is here for analysis.
Copy that, Captain. Ready for intake.
Initiating sterile sample collection now. Flow is steady, bottle filling cleanly. Collection complete, sample is secured. This is our active ingredient test kit. It analyzes for sugar and caffeine-like substances. The generic test, no medical claims, just safety and quality. It ensures all levels are safe and within limits. Initiating quality review. Dashboard is active. Taste pass, pH pass, clarity pass, microbiology pass. All systems green, production approved. All right, team, time to test this new formula. Sniffing it through the visor, no problem.
Oh!
All good, thumbs up. The flavor development corner. Let's see what aromas we have today. Category A for citrus, B for floral, C for spicy. The building blocks of Fuel holds a secret waiting to be unlocked. This is our color and clarity check. We use a backlight panel. I place the vial against the light. The liquid is crystal clear. This confirms our purification process is working perfectly. Welcome to Factory Insights. Today, we'll compare base syrup to the final blend. This is the base syrup, a clear, simple sirloin blend. We add flavorings, coloring wicks. This creates the finished beverage. This is our pasteurization heat exchanger. It uses these stainless steel plates to press temperature. Steam from these lines heats the plates, and safety labels indicate pressure and temperature. Always check these safety labels before operating. Observe this heat exchanger. The blue inlet fluid heats the red outlet fluid. Our real-time graph shows the temperatures converging, optimizing the process. This prevents overheating and ensures peak efficiency. Welcome back. After the intense heat, we enter the cooling stage. See the blue graphic? It represents the coolant's downward flow. And this condensation on the pipes, proof the process, we'll see the results. After every batch, we run a full sanitation cycle. Inside the tank, the CIP spray ball spins rapidly. It sprays a cleaning solution to rinse and sanitize hygiene before the next batch. Observe the holding time tank. Its precise mechanism controls the flow of time-sensitive materials. The timer overlay confirms the process is active and proceeding as expected. This is the CO2 injection skid, where precise control happens. Observe the gauges and regulators show pressure data. Watch the animated readouts. The pressure is optimized for efficiency. We've now entered the carbonation and final conditioning zone. These CO2 cylinders are key to adding the perfect fizz. Their pressure and flow are tightly has consistent carbonation. Here we see the carbonation stone at work inside this transparent pipe. It's releasing these beautiful microbubbles, creating perfect carbonation.
a key to great beverage quality.
Controlling dissolved gases is key to preventing equipment failures. This chart shows safe levels in green and risks in red. By monitoring and adjusting, we keep operations safe and efficient.
This is our inline chiller. It rapidly cools the beverage before carbonation. The frosty pipes here are key, dropping the temperature to 4 degrees Celsius. The control panel monitors the process and ensuring peak if it chill. Welcome. Today we're controlling foam in this filling process. Without control, foam would cause overflows. Watch this. In slow motion, see the bubbles and dissipate. This ensures a clean, efficient fill every time. Scanning batch ID on manifold. Scan complete, traceability HUD online. Batch data confirmed, all parameters nominal. This is the final blend tank. Observe the gentle stirring action. The agitator blades rotate slowly, ensuring a uniform and high-quality mix. This tranquil agitation is essential for our process. Here we monitor water quality. The turbidity sensor gives us live data NTU, perfect for our process. This stability ensures we maintain the highest quality standards.
Line start.
Welcome. This depalletizer uses a robotic lift to unload blank cans. The gripper descends, secures the top layer, it's placed on the conveyor, ready for the next stage. This is our can rinser. It blasts a mix of sterile air and water onto the cans. In slow motion, you can see the powerful jets and sparkling droplets. This ensures every can is perfectly clean and ready to... Observe the ionized air knife in action. It emits ionized air, removing dust. The airflow is precise and effective. A clean, efficient solution. Fill temperature is crucial in our process. This pipe must stay at the right temp. See this thermometer? It monitors it in real time. Monitor it. That's factory insight. This is our filler carousel. Its smooth, hypnotic rotation is continuous. It fills containers with precision as it turns. The motion is designed to be efficient. This is the core of our production line.
Observe the fill valves. They are now opening in sequence. Note the stems rotating, the legs engaging. Indicators confirm they are fully open. Now, closing with equal precision.
These level sensors monitor every can, ensuring a consistent, precise fill. As you can see, the green checks. Preserved real-time feedback is what makes our process so reliable. Team, watch the foam caps. They must settle before we seal. See the bubbles settling now? This ensures a perfect seal. Good. Now the lids go on. The heart of our line. This seamer seals every can with perfect precision. Observe the rotation. Each seam is flawless, ensuring quality.
Welcome to Factory Insight. Today, we'll explain the double seam. This diagram shows a can body and lid in cross-section. They interlock tightly with compound for a perfect seal.
Top-down view of our lid feeder in action. The ends drop and settle perfectly onto each can. No gaps, no overlaps. This flawless sync is what makes our production so efficient. Observe the seamer rollers. Clean, precise, sparks-free. In slow motion, the flawless rotation is evident. This is our seam inspection camera system. Let me show you how it works. The camera captures the seam in real time. The software then analyzes it, red flags any defects. A perfect pass. Welcome, this is our burst pressure and leak test module. We place a component inside and ramp up the pressure. The sensors monitor for leaks, ensuring top quality, a safe, reliable test for every part.
Initiating scan. Scan complete. Traceability confirmed. Line 3, just set it.
Welcome. This is our automated reject lane. This generic can has been flagged as faulty. Watch as the system kicks it out. A precise and satisfying mechanical motion. Welcome. This is our advanced date coding printer. It prints tiny, precise codes at high speed. Here's the result, a tiny, legible inkjet code. Reliable coding for every product. Thumbs up, the good cans are flowing smoothly. Great work, team. Keep it up. We've seen the assembly line, now let's move to the exterior decoration stage. Here we handle labeling and printing, as the sign indicates. This stage ensures every product is correctly branded. Welcome to the factory. This is our shrink sleeve applicator. As you can see, the sleeves slide perfectly onto the cans. This automated process ensures a perfect fit every time. Welcome to the heat tunnel, where the magic happens. Observe the sleeves as they shrink uniformly around the bottles. The result is a smooth, tight seal every time. The alternative, direct can printing. It applies generic patterns instantly. Here's the split screen. On the left, me. On the right, the magic. See, instant patterns, no labels. Ask as if the future is smarter. Welcome to Factory Insight. Watch our vision system in action. As the box moves, the system scans the label for alignment. See the red box? Green means the barcode is perfectly aligned. Precision at work. Welcome. Let's see our wrist scanner in action. I'll scan this barcode right here. And we have a successful verification. The beep confirms it. This saves us time and prevents errors. Here's our can drying station. Watch as the air knives blast moisture off the cans. The high-speed air jets create a powerful shearing force. See the droplets fly off, leaving the cans perfectly dry for the next stage. Observe the flawless, mirror-like finish on this can. This perfect finish ensures our energy drink stands out. It's premium quality, engineered for maximum impact. Observe the sleek design of this Factory Insight can. The premium label highlights our superior quality. This product symbolizes our commitment to excellence, perfection in every detail. Back on the line. Keep it moving. All right, we've transitioned to secondary packaging. Watch these big cartons move along the line. They'll be sealed, labeled, and palletized, ready for shipment. This is the backbone of our distribution process. This is our multi-pack collation zone. We group cans into efficient packs, using generic carriers for speed. Then these 6 packs are quickly combined into 12 packs for shipping.
Welcome to the factory floor. Observe the robotic pick. It precisely picks each pack from the conveyor and places it securely into the case. This automation ensures speed and accuracy. Tape gives you fast, low-cost seals, but with medium strength. Glue is slower and costs more, but it delivers high strength. Choose based on your need for speed, cost, or durability.
This checkweigher verifies every case weight. Watch as the case moves through, and the green pass light flashes. Weight confirmed, quality assured. This print and apply system handles all our generic shipping labels. It prints and applies them at high speed. See the generic details? No real addresses here, just efficient, streamlined at its best. This is our advanced detection unit. It scans all products for contaminants. Here, the safe simplified overlay confirms it. This ensures top quality and safety.
Anomaly on the line. Diverting now. Defect confirmed. Rerouting. Back to the main lane. Efficiency maintained.
Welcome to our buffer conveyor accumulation table. This spiraling motion allows for seamless accumulation and release. It's a key part of our automated line. Boots see it in action. Let's move to the palletizing cell for a closer look. Here, the robot arm operates with high precision. It stacks pallets flawlessly, enhancing productivity. Observe the pallet's interlock stacking. Each layer braces the next for maximum stability. Our AR highlights the pattern. The floor grid is at 98%. Every unit is precisely placed. Captain here. Today, we're looking at slip sheet placement. Watch as this thin sheet drops precisely between the layers. This macro view shows the edge detail, ensuring a perfect fit. Welcome. This is our high-tech palletizer in action. Observe the smooth, repeatable motion. Each case is gripped and stacked with precision. The neon lights highlight its path, ensuring flawless efficiency. Welcome. Observe this stretch lopper in action. It spins at high speed, wrapping the pallet in protective film. The motion blur shows its incredible volatile logistics.
This pallet's barcode is key for tracking. See the ID printed below it? Our scanner reads it with a laser beam. The beam sweeps the code and we get instant location data. Efficiency in action.
Captain Insight here, monitoring the autonomous pallet jack. Path is clear. Proceed to Zone B. Sensors active, maintaining safe distance.
Welcome to Factory Insight. Let's explore inventory concepts. First in for Fruitiero, the oldest stock is picked first out. Next, the FIFO method, first expired before they expire.
Welcome! These are our temperature and humidity sensors, critical for factory operations. Notice the blinking LEDs? They indicate active, real-time monitoring. This ensures optimal conditions and prevents downtime.
Welcome to our quality lab. Every product is tested for perfection. Microscopes analyze cell structures with precision. Petri dishes monitor cultures for quality. Spectrometers ensure chemical purity.
This is our outbound staging area. The pallets are lined up in perfect symmetry, ready for dispatch.
As we move along the aisle, you can see the scale-efficient, error-free loading and shipment.
Welcome. Today we'll cover microbiology checks using clean. First, sampling. We take swabs from surfaces to test for microbes. Next, analysis. Samples go to lab for identification. Results guide our safety improvements.
Welcome to our taste panel room. Here, our panelists conduct sensory evaluations. They are sampling products in a controlled, neutral setting. The process ensures consistent, reliable quality assessments. Here we have our calibration instruments. This is our high-precision scale. We use these small weights to ensure it reads correctly. Every gram must be exact. Team, this dashboard shows our defect rate is dropping fast. Look at this trend line. It's our lowest yet. Great work. Let's keep this momentum going. This is the sanitation swab. I'll demonstrate. Uncapping, now applying to the surface. The HUD confirms it. Green pass. All clear.
Welcome. This is our water reuse line, turning wastewater and flows in here, and is purified through our advanced treatment. The result is clean water, ready for industrial reuse, saving sustainable, closed-loop system.
Welcome. Let's sort our waste right. This blue bin is for aluminum cans, and this brown one is for cardboard. Remember to sort properly. Thanks.
Status on the main coupling bolt? Tightening it now, Captain. Almost there. Good. Precision is critical. No room for error. Understood. Final torque. Proceed.
Welcome to the factory floor. Today, we'll see how predictive maintenance prevents downtime. This graph shows a machine's health score. By scheduling maintenance here, we avoid a breakdown, saving time and money.
Dock team, proceed with loading. Efficiency is key.
Copy, Captain. Pallet 1 secured and moving.
Good pace. Keep it tight for the next one.
Roger that. Loading confirmed.
Welcome to shipping. This dock door seal maintains a tight seal, and here the temperature control keeps goods at a precise 38 degrees. Clean, efficient, and ready for the next shipment.
All right, team, keep formation tight. Move out. Watch your spacing, no gaps. Push forward, full speed ahead.
Welcome back to the factory floor. Let's recap the key steps. First, raw material intake and automated sorting. Next, precision assembly with robotic arms. Finally, automated packaging and shipping. Let's recap the 5 steps. Second, ingredients are mixed in. Third, we carbonate the mixture. Fourth, filling the bottles precisely. And fifth, packaging for distribution, a streamlined process. In our factory, we hold the standard for every product. This represents the consistency and quality we demand. Every can, every time. That's our promise.
And myth, automation will replace all human jobs and eradicates new hired specialists. Fact, automation it scales for any size business. Hey everyone, welcome back to Factory Insight. I'm the Factory Insight Captain, here to show you around. Stick with me and you'll see how it all works. Let's dive in.
Valves regulating flow with precision, bubbles rising, signaling active process. The seamer locks cans tight. Labels branding every product. Pallets stacking for global distribution.
Hello, welcome to the factory. I'm the Factory Insight Captain. Watch how we optimize production. Thanks for joining us. To stay updated, tap the subscribe button. And for more Factory Insights, click next video. Engage with these holograms to join the adventure. Thanks for watching.